their most affordable and expensive rooms. Welcome to the Beekman Hotel. The Beekman Hotel reopened in 2016 after many years of renovations and laying empty. The Temple Court building opened in 1881 and it was one of the original New York City skyscrapers. The Old Meets New theme begins in the lobby with carpets wrapped around the lobby desk from 1881. Leading up to this stunning 9-story Victorian atrium behind me. It completely steals the show. You cannot come here and not look up from every single angle. Enjoy a meal or a cocktail at the bar while forever being enchanted by every whimsical design detail. It is located downtown, walking distance from the Brooklyn Bridge and the One World Trade Center. Rooms start at $300 per night. The 2 new Tourette duplex penthouse suites, complete with large private terraces, cost $6,500 per night. The William Vale is the newest and only 5-star hotel here in Brooklyn. It is located exactly on North 12th Street, very close to McCarran Park and the waterfront in Williamsburg. Each futuristic room includes a large balcony. You don't have to leave the hotel to enjoy amazing dining, pool, park, and bar experiences between the elevated Vale Park, right here, the huge outdoor pool deck, and gorgeous rooftop bar called the Westlight. Rooms start at about $300 per night. The most luxurious room is the Vale Garden Residence, which has 2 bedrooms and 2 baths, spanning a 2-floor duplex, with a large patio and open-air jacuzzi. Reservations begin at $12,000 per night. The Plaza is a New York City icon built in 1907. It was built in one of the most fashionable residential areas in New York City at 5th Avenue and Central Park South. It is walking distance to Glasgow Bridge in Central Park, the Zoo, Broadway's Theater District, Times Square, Rockefeller Center, and Top of the Rock. The Plaza has played a starring role in films like North by Northwest, Home Alone 2, and The Great Gatsby. When the new Plaza Hotel opened in 1907, the first ever taxi cabs in New York City lined up at its entrance. Rooms start at about $700 per night, but visitors do not need to stay overnight to dine at one of the storied restaurants like the Oak Room or the Palm Court. For families who love Eloise, stay in the all-pink Betsy Johnson Eloise Suite. The Royal Plaza Suite has 3 bedrooms and 3.5 baths. It has its own elevator entrance, private gym, formal dining room that seats 12, 24-karat gold-plated features, and 5th Avenue views. You can stay here for $30,000 per night. The Gramercy Park Hotel opened in 1925. Enter through this chic bohemian lobby into this hotel, which is in one of the best locations in New York City. Gramercy is a quiet, tree-lined neighborhood close to Union Square and the Flatiron Building. But what makes this location unique is its proximity to Gramercy Park. Located on Lexington Avenue, steps away from New York City's only remaining private park, guests receive exclusive access to the gated park that is normally only accessible to long-term residents living just around the park. Other highlights include the Rose Bar, Jade Bar, and the Italian restaurant. It is known for its famous musician guests, from the Beatles to Madonna, and, did you know, Humphrey Bogart even got married here. Rooms start at $300 per night. The penthouse suites are 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom suites with a Renaissance color scheme and features antiques, library, and full kitchen for $4,000 per night. The Pierre opened its doors in 1930 as a white-gloved oasis for travelers. It is located on 61st and 5th in the Upper East Side, a few steps away from Central Park and the 10 museums of Museum Mile, including the Metropolitan Museum of Art and the Guggenheim. Dine in the Rotunda restaurant. It has appeared in MASH, Trainwreck, and Mad Men. Rooms start at $400 per night. It houses the most expensive rental in New York City for $500,000 per month. That's about $16,000 per night. The apartment spans the entire floor with 6 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms. Amenities include butler service, pet pampering, spa salon, and a chauffeur-driven Jaguar. I'm Jen with The Travel Woman. Thank you so much for watching this video on the top 5-star luxury boutique hotels here in New York City. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click the subscribe and the bell button so you don't miss any future video. As always, say yes to new adventures, and I'll see you next time.